What's up, guys? Vine here. I want to make sure this Twibber TP225 tail still starts. And I already did it one day, but I want to do a better cold start video. Do a better cold start video. It actually did. As you can see. But it's running. It runs pretty good. Moving a little bit. But, you know, what I expected to do for these. I was at 295. I mean, if you think about it, this machine definitely just picked this one up.